I just bought a rival coffee maker for $9, well, about a month ago. It's pretty simple to use. You put the water in the tank. That's your water meter gauge. Close the lid. Slide in your coffee basket. If you can do it one-handed. And turn it on. This is a rival coffee maker. $9 at Walmart. Very basic. What is that sound? I got this about a month ago, and that sound was a lot louder. So in about a month, that sound you hear has become better. But still, I don't think it's right for a coffee maker to make this sound. So it's also a pretty hefty little coffee maker. The craft always drips. So I'm guessing the sound comes from this spring here. Yeah, I wake up to that in the morning. This doesn't have an automatic morning feature. Pretty much you just turn it on with the button here and turn it off. Very basic, $9, and it makes a very loud noise. It's like punching. The other feature that it has is that it will stop brewing coffee so that you can pour a cup. The craft drips when it's full, which is annoying. I got a little drip there. And now it's resuming. We got that noise there, that clicking noise. Pretty wrong. So I would spend $20 on a better coffee maker purely because of the noise. The clicking sound that it makes. I think this is a temporary coffee maker. You get it $9 and replace it when you have $20 to spend on a better one. It's very basic, which isn't bad, but it makes a funny noise, which is bad. Listen to that. Anything that makes a noise like that, in my opinion, isn't going to last very long. Because to me, it means the mechanics are wrong. And that's it. That's my consumer review on a $9 rival, very basic coffee maker I got from Walmart. It does make coffee. It works. Very basic. Funny noise. Save up for a $20 one.